Ketogenic diet is gaining popularity like anything on account of obvious reasons. Benefits like weight loss, improving mental clarity, and boosting energy levels. We uploaded a video on the health benefits of the keto diet. If you have not seen yet, the link is in the info card above. Well, despite benefits, not all is sunshine and rainbow. The keto diet can also cause a couple of side effects, and keto constipation is one of the most common one. Most people are not aware why keto constipation happens, and the fact of the matter is that they are not even aware why constipation on any kind of diet happens for that matter. Well, before taking a deep dive into the remedies to cure keto constipation, let us try to understand few vital aspects of keto constipation. Many people are under the assumption that if the stool is not passed every day, they are constipated. In fact, bowel movement is considered normal if it is anywhere between 3 movements a day to 2 bowel movements a week. Constipation is when the stool is hard and dry and it is difficult to pass in addition to being infrequent. When you are constipated, not only do you feel uncomfortable, but you can also experience bloating, gas, and abdominal pain. Chronic constipation, on the other hand, can even result in hemorrhoids. Now let us try to understand the remedies that can be planned during keto constipation. Ensure that you're consuming adequate amount of fibers. General guidelines is 25 to 30 grams of fibers per day. You can get fibers from green leafy vegetables, from coconut flour, almonds, peanut butter, and even flax seeds. Psyllium husk is one of the most popular and effective fiber supplement out there. Tip number 2, consume probiotics. If you are consuming adequate amount of fibers in the diet but your stool is still foul smelling, then you might require assistance from probiotics. Probiotics are nothing but live bacteria and yeast that you can get either from your diet or from your supplementation. Yogurt, kefir, miso are few good sources of probiotics. Not only probiotics helps in restoring the gut flora, but it also assists in bowel movements. Lactobacillus and bifidobacterium are 2 common probiotic strains. Tip number 3, eat more and drink more. Eat a combination of low and high caloric foods. Even if you are on a weight loss diet, do not go below the BMR or the basal metabolic rate. As keto is very low carbohydrate diet, you tend to lose a lot of water weight, and hence it becomes essential to keep yourself hydrated throughout the day. Drink 3 to 4 liters of water per day. Tip number 4, do not lead a sedentary lifestyle. Chronic constipation has been linked to inactivity. Physical activities enhances the blood circulation to your digestive tracts and also helps in digestion. Sedentary lifestyle often leads to constipation, and hence it becomes inevitably essential to incorporate exercise for better bowel movements. Last but not the least, eliminate food triggers. Isolate and identify the foods that you might be allergic to. Common allergens includes eggs, peanuts, soy, and seafoods. Most of these foods are high in protein. Try excluding different protein-rich foods from the diet and see if that adds value. If you find the information handy, show love to the video by giving it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family who can benefit from the research findings. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more valuable information backed by science. Jai Hind.